Guys, so we are at Arby's. I just read a press release that they have it's a rib sandwich, rib meat sandwich, okay? That's supposed to go up against McRib from McDonald's. First of all, McRib from McDonald's is nasty. That's like rib fat. That's what it is. It's a layer of rib fat on a bun with drowning in sauce. So this one, Arby's always has better meat. They do everything better, even when they did the venison sandwiches. Remember that? So I read that all of them are doing this. So let's see if they have it. But we're going to take a look at the rib sandwich. And I don't think it's going to be any competition. It'll blow away McRib. By the way, if you didn't know that, that's what McDonald's does. The McRib always goes on sale at McDonald's when the market is the lowest for pork bellies. So McDonald's buys up all the pork bellies, and then the McRib goes bonkers. I can't remember. I remember it was gross when I tried it years ago, but I can't remember what it's like anymore because I just won't touch it. The McRib sandwich is just scary. So let's see if this one's any better. And by the way, strawberries and cream fried pies, don't eat that. But that's also a limited time at Arby's. If you guys into strawberries and cream and you like your little country fried pies, Arby's got it for a limited time. And this rib sandwich is a limited time, of course. Okay, you can see right there in the middle, they've got the brisket and they've got the real country style rib sandwich. And then the prime rib cheesesteak also looked kind of interesting. That came out a while ago. It's been out for a while. All right, Tammy's gonna cut this thing in half in a minute. But you can see why is it blurry? Come on, focus, there we go. Okay, that's a thick piece of meat, a lot of cheese. That looks good. Some more meat coming out everywhere. Looks like got an onion ring right there. Okay, just to show you, that does not look anything like what we saw in the picture. But it's a lot of meat. A lot of meat and a lot of steam. But that didn't look like did that look like the picture?
Well, it's more pressed down, not...
I think I expected a little more like vegetables or mushrooms or peppers or something.
Yeah.
Whatever they put on it.
Yeah. There's some, but there's not enough.
There's not a lot. All right, guys, so there's a big piece of rib meat right there. And it looks really good, doesn't look fatty at all. So I'm gonna try just the meat. All right. Now I'll try it all together. Now for the Philly cheesesteak. Smells good. It smells like a Philly cheesesteak. Alright guys, I just finished up and I can tell you this right now. I've always loved Arby's. Their meat has always been good quality. Their stuff that they've come up with has always been good. But this Philly cheesesteak sandwich had no flavor. That was like very bland meat and not enough vegetables to help it out. The rib sandwich, a lot of meat. Once again, this company is lacking on seasoning. All you have to do is sprinkle some seasoning. There's 1,000 of them out there. That's the problem I have with both sandwiches. They both are bland. So I don't know if it's a new Arby's thing that we're gonna find out that their meats are getting bland. I know they're probably not smoking here and cooking all their meat here. They're probably just warming it up, having it shipped here, being cooked somewhere else. So wherever they're cooking it, do me a favor, season, would you? There was no seasoning. So they both are bland. I just want you to know that I can't recommend these. But that rib sandwich is nothing like McRib. It's way better. It was lean. It was lean. There was a lot of fat on it or anything, but once again, it was bland. So, anyway, take that as you want it, and we'll see you in the next video.